Hi guys! Hello everybody! Welcome to our vlog for tonight's soup. Yes, we are still doing our soup. This is going to be soup number 11. Guys, I think I'm only doing soup 12. So, I cannot do the soup 25. That's too much. Too much soup. But anyway, we are doing soup 11. But for our soup 11, guys, I'm excited for this one. I forgot the name. Crab and corn soup. Crab and corn soup. This crab, guys, it's real crab meat, like big pieces of crab meat. So 11 will be crab and corn soup. For our ingredients, guys, of course, we have the corn. This is the cream style corn, and the crab meat. And I will show you the rest of the ingredients a little closer. Come closer. So that's the crab meat. Water. Sweet cream style corn. That is celery, carrots. I have 2 eggs. This is rosemary and parsley. My parsley starting to dried up. But this is fresh parsley that I cut in small pieces and put it back in put it in the fridge. But I'm sure that's still good. And then for our seasoning, chicken powder, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and I'm going to use olive oil. So let us start sauteing and make this soup number 11. Olive oil. So I got the celery, guys. Just sauteing our celery. And then the carrots. And then the crab meat. That's a lot of crab meat. And I'm going to season it. And then the rosemary and a little bit of parsley. That smells so good. And then the water. I'm gonna go ahead and also put the corn. It's gonna be a quick soup, guys. So I just added water, guys, so we can get all the corn. And we will let that boil. And we're going to put the eggs. And I'm going to add the eggs now, guys. Our soup number 11. Crab meat and corn soup. So excited to try it. And we're going to put some parsley. More parsley. And some crackers. This one, it really needed crackers, guys. Lots of crackers. Oh no, maybe I will put some on my bowl here. Just in case I won't eat all of it. So let's mix it. And pour some. Looks good or what, huh, guys? Then we put the crackers. And it is OMG. Look how beautiful the color of the soup. Number 11, guys. Crab and corn soup. Wow, it's hot. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So sorry, guys. I got carried away. I wanna eat the soup before the crackers get mushy. Oh my goodness, it's good. So guys, when I have this in mind last night that this is what I'm gonna make for our soup for tonight, I have no idea what kind of ingredients that I'm going to add. All I know is I wanted the crab meat. And then when I get hungry this morning, all the ingredients start popping out from my head. And I'm so glad that I put what do you call the green thing, celery, because it goes so well with the crab meat. And then the corn, I said, maybe it's good if I add corn too. So all those ingredients just keep coming out, and that's how I came up with the crab and corn soup. Imagine that. When you are hungry, you can create something. I want to finish this bowl right here. The crab has a little sweet flavor, and it complements with the corn. Oh my gosh, the corn is so good. I was going to put the regular corn, but I said maybe the cream style corn will be better, so the soup will help it to get a little creamy, and it did. One more, and then I will say bye. It's so good. I think with all the soup that we did, this is one of my favorites. I think so. It's so good. Guys, you should try this recipe. You should try this recipe. It is so delicious. We buy this crab meat, guys, when we go to Florida, because once a month we go to Florida for Chris's job, and I go with him because I can. We go to this seafood place in Pensacola called Joe Patty's, and that's where we buy our seafood, like our fish and oyster and crab meat. Guys, this is our soup number 11, the very delicious crab and corn soup. So tomorrow it will be my last soup. I wanted to make it special, but I don't think it will top this one. So let me think of something that is a little bit special than this one. So anyways, yeah, we won't make it to 25 soup, guys. So I will make 12. Hey, at least it's half of the 25. Almost half of the 25, right? So, but anyway, guys, soup number 11. So delish. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Soup number 12. Our last soup for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now. Happy eating soup.